Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to look at the Speck grab tabs. Now, I did actually make a video on this before, but this is the updated version. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so the updated Speck grab tabs. Now, if you guys do remember, and if you guys actually follow my channel, I did actually do the original one right here. And if you guys read the comments on that video, I did it the wrong way. So don't blame me for that, because I did actually do the first unboxing and I didn't really pay attention to the picture right there. But anyways, and we have 96 colors and patterns, so I'm definitely interested to see what's the difference. They look pretty much the same. It looks like it's a little bit smaller though, and you do have a different thing on the back there. So let's just pop this out and see what it looks like. Should be pretty simple. Just take it out of this packaging, just like that, and see what it looks like. So we got the grab tabs. All right, we have to take out a little niggy for here. So pretty simple. If you have your phone, you just have to take this off and just place it on the back. It's almost like a pop socket. I did actually get a pop socket from who was that? Team Pixel actually sent me one of those. So here's how it looks on your iPhone 10R. I do have a Speck case on there already, so shout out to Speck. So how this works is you just take off that little film. Okay, so let's just place this on here. Pretty simple. I place it more towards the bottom since I want to use it as a kickstand. So let's see what it looks like now. And you just pop this open and you're able to insert your fingers or whatever, or if you want to use it as a kickstand, you could definitely do that as well. Simple, yeah, it works. And I think the last time I saw these were under $10, so definitely a good price, and I'm definitely liking them so far. So I do actually have a bunch of these guys. I do have a lot of them. Now I'm going to give away at least 5 of these to one of you guys. So you guys let me know which one you like down in the comments below, and I'll send them out to you. And this giveaway is only for the US because I don't have shipping money like that. So you guys let me know which one you want, and I'll send it out to you. And I'll pick a few winners, and you just let me know which one you want. And that's about it for the video. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Speck products and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. See that? It's pretty sturdy too. Later.